Hi, it's Linda, Save My Face Pillow here, and we've been around for, well, we're going into our 26th year on the market. So we started out with 8 products, and now we have over 300 SKUs. It's really cool that I invented this in 1996, so we're going on 30 years, right, with the concept. It took 3 years of R&D to bring this product to market, and I had shown you the original that I had cut out of a piece of foam, but then that original turned into this lovely small pillow called our La Petite pillow. We have 2 sizes of pillows, which I think some of you have seen in a gift set because so many of our customers end up with both pillows because they both elevate the face, but they both feel really different and they both feel really great on different occasions. So let me just show you quickly both of them here, like that. Okay. First, I'll show you the La Petite pillow because it was the first one that was designed. The Legrand pillow came up shortly afterwards, okay? But the La Petite pillow is this. It's a nice, beautiful flat pillow because pillows lay on your bed, right? And supposed to be flat. The La Petite pillow is meant to be placed on top of your existing pillow. My vision was that, and my goal, and a little selfish too, because I loved my feather down pillow. I didn't want to give up that nice soft pillow, but I didn't like what it did to my face in the morning. So one morning I woke up with my hand like this. And I was like, that's it. I'll have one on one side and one on the other side on top of my feather down pillow. And voila, the La Petite pillow. Now, when you put it on top of your pillow, your face is just gently elevated. So when you get it, don't think, oh my gosh, this is so small. What is it going to do? No, you have to get on it and experience. Again, we have a nice curve here, fits in the nape of your neck. And then it's just nice and flat. And you can pull the appendage underneath here just for a little support. And it's perfect, right? You can also, because I work with plastic surgeons and dermatologists and skincare professionals, this size is the size that most estheticians, med spas, plastic surgeons, and we do have disposables, and those are FDA registered. Yes, we are the only face-saving FDA registered pillow because we've been selling to plastic surgeons our disposables since 2002. So we are established, okay? But back to the La Petite pillow here. It's so great because you can roll from left to right. Unlike some of the ones out there, I think there's one that has a crescent on one side. It name of it begins with nurse, okay? And the other side is straight. And it's like, well, what do I do? Do I always sleep on one side? No. Ours is perfect. Set it and forget it. And you can roll your head from left or to right, and your face is perfectly suspended. The La Petite is also our most versatile because you can take and you can fold it in half. Great for travel. These big clunky things that you see out there cannot be just put in your briefcase or in your carry-on so easily. And sometimes you see people walking around the airport with this huge thing around their neck. But this is small, it's versatile, and you can change out the pillowcases to actually turn it into a single crescent pillow like this. So that's the La Petite pillow. Again, really great. You feel with the La Petite, you feel more support because the appendages, these are the appendages, they're smaller, and so you feel more support. Then what? You're asking. Then what? Well, then this big guy, the Legrand pillow. bigger and fluffier, but you have to remember why you're purchasing this. It's to elevate your face. So which one is going to work better for you? Which one in with your sleep habits is going to be better for you? And that's the question that only you can answer. So here goes. Here's the Legrand again, a beautiful flat pillow that I'm sleeping with my hubby, that I can be in bed and I can be talking, not with something around and up around my face. I know that they couldn't duplicate us exactly because we've gone through patents and we have a trademark on the shape. So you can't imitate our shape. And I have to tell you, if you find a pillow that's named something else and it's got this shape, we will give you a gift to let us know who it is so that we can say, hey, you can't do that. All right. We're the original, right? I love inventors. Okay. I love it when people have great ideas, but don't step on mama's territory here. Okay. This is something that I invented, right? And it's just very simple. See, look at this, bigger and fluffier, great for people that scoot towards the edge and hold the edge of the pillow down. And you can just sleep comfortably, right? You don't have shadows or anything coming up around your face. It's a pillow, okay? One thing I do want to show you though is that we have what's called a law label, okay? It is law. You'll find it on mattresses. You'll find it on comforters. The chair I'm sitting in, this office chair, has a law label on the bottom of the chair because I'm putting my booty on it, right? Anything that you put your booty on has to have a law label. This is an investment from the manufacturer. Okay. Now, if we're manufacturing a pillow for someone, and we've done innovative products for innovators. Okay, we love innovators, right? We will use our law label, right? Because we're the manufacturer. So this is what we pay for. And let me just flip it and show you, right? Those lovely tags that say, "Do not remove," right? Unless you're the consumer, and then you can cut it off once you say, "Oh, I love this product," and you wanna cut that law label off. What we noticed about those that are duplicating us is that they're not investing in you. A law label provides consumer confidence. You wouldn't buy a food item that didn't have a label of ingredients on it, would you? You wouldn't buy a piece of clothing that didn't have a label telling you, hey, it's wool, it's cotton, this is how you care for it, because you may be allergic to something and you need to know that. So we invest in you. We do things the right way here at Save My Face. Let me show you an example. Okay, several times. And it's kind of funny because it's like just walking those infringers right into our factory. But since Save My Face is a name that's been around for almost 30 years, associated with a face saving pillow product, oh, we did create the category of face saving pillows, which is kind of cool. Just Google it. Who invented the very first face-saving pillow? And you will see, moi, Linda Randell, right? Okay, so let me show you a pillow that was returned to us. It's not ours. It's a pillow that is, I guess you could say, a quote competitor. Okay, so it's huge, pardonnez-moi. And we've seen this shape, right? So when you plug in Save My Face, more often than not, another product will come up, beginning with F. I didn't say it, you did. But okay, so, let's take a look at it here. Hey, I want to see, is this a good product? Is this something that I might sleep with? Because again, I love innovators. Okay. So I'm looking at it. Okay. I'm figuring out how do I sleep, but it's huge. I tried putting it on my bed. It's whatever. And then I'm doing it kind of like the you see on the Instagram here. But I'm like, okay, all right. I'm not quite sure because there is a flat surface here. I had to kind of move my face up like this a little bit. But then like, how do I roll to the other side? And what if I wake up in the middle of the night and I see this shadow, right? What is this for? This is not a pillow. I could use it as a stool. I could kind of put it on the table like there, like that, I guess. But something else, all right? So I don't like it. Can you tell? And I wanna like people that innovate. This is not innovating, okay? All right, so let's unzip this product. Okay, let's unzip it. So far, I'm not finding any kind of labeling at all. Here's the pillow body here. I'm gonna pull it out, and there is no law label to be found, and there's not even a tag or any kind of label telling me what kind of fabric it is or if I can wash it. I think there's something on their website, but this is just terrible. Yeah. Um, and it's over $200. Excuse me? Really? I mean, we're a manufacturer. Okay, which would you rather have? Something like this or over $200 that doesn't tell you they don't invest in you. They don't care about you. All right. They're just not doing business the right way. If you're going to do business the right way. Play by the rules. Find out what do I need to know about doing business? What are the laws? What do I need to have that's consumer protection? Right? This is like this is $200, okay? Right? And it's don't like it. Okay. This, however, this satin pillow comes with a nice pillowcase. Pillowcase is easy to take off because it's just a pillow. Nice and flat and lovely. All you wanted to do is not be a gadget or a contraption. And also, I don't want to be frightened in the middle of the night by seeing shadows up around my face. Okay? I want to be able to sleep on a pillow and not have to worry if I'm positioning it correctly. This fits beautifully. This curve here fits beautifully in the nape of my neck. And then I just fall asleep, set it and forget it. If I want to turn to the other side, it's the same thing. I just turn from side to side on a nice flat pillow. So, in review, even both of these together are not $200. We have a gift set that's like a 153 maybe in satin, and you can take the case off. We've invested in you, so you'll know that there's a law label. There's also a label on all pillowcases that tell you if it's cotton or if it's a synthetic fabric, machine wash and dry, what you can do with it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's really important for me to let you know that we think of you, that we want to do things the right way here at Save My Face. And also, what's really cool about Save My Face is that we are the only face-saving product that has been used by plastic surgeons since 2002. We are the only face-saving pillow that has such a track record that we are FDA registered. So that means that if you have had facial surgery and you put the code in to your insurance company that the code is associated with our Save My Face pillow. Again, we've invested in you. This is something that we pay hefty to the FDA, annual payment, right? To keep our status of being a coded product. And what I mean by coded is that there's a HCPCS code that you can submit to your insurance company. If you've had facial surgery, like you had an accident, you have to suspend your face, or if you have any problems with the front of your face, medically, um, you can write it off on your insurance. That's how much we care about you. Again, thanks so much.